National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Anson County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marshville, or 9 miles northeast of Monroe, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wadesboro, Holston, Lylesville, Peachland, and White Store. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Anson, North Carolina. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County, southwestern Harnett County, northwestern Cumberland County, Hope County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Southern Pines, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Southern Pines, Rayford, Fort Liberty, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Antioch, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, and Whispering Pines. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cumberland,